Hello everybody, we're gonna make a little video to explain, to review some concepts about TCP/IP networks, okay? So this is gonna be a video about basic configuration, and with this video we'll just review what you have learned before, okay? Some of you have been working with networks for a year, and some others you've been a lot more, okay? So you know that a computer, to communicate with another one in a TCP/IP network, okay, in an Ethernet in a local area, it needs to have a network configuration, okay? So we have here two computers linked with a switch, two PCs here, switch PC, and so they are connected, and we can connect a lot more computers here, okay? I can, sorry, here. I can go there, okay? So I can connect lots of computers, and every PC needs to have a network configuration. So an IP address, which could be maybe here, it's going to be a type C network, okay? Doesn't matter. You need to have a net mask and an IP address that is useful, okay? So 192.168.3.2 computer, okay? And we have here 192.168.3.3 computer. These both computers have the same net mask, and they have two different IP addresses, but they are both of them, they are in the same network. Why? Because if we combine the net mask and the IP address, we can see that both of them, they are in the same network. Which is going to be that network? Is going to be 192.168.3.0 network, okay? I'm going to put it network here. Okay? So these two computers, this one and this one, they are in 192.168.3.0 network, and they are connected, so you can have a communication. We can communicate one with the other, okay? So what else? Here we have another computer. If the network configuration is different, okay, you see here the network configuration is, for example, if we change this number, this was going to be from 192.168.10.0 network. If they are not in the same network, there can't be any communication, okay? Remember that. But what happens if we want to communicate some computers that are in different networks? Well, if we want to connect different networks, we need, apart from a switch, or maybe instead of a switch, we need a router, okay? So I'm gonna try to find here routers. Here is a router, okay? Okay, this is another icon, but this machine can be in two different networks, okay? So maybe this machine is from another network. But if we configure a router well, you can have a communication between this 1, 2, and 3 computers, okay? But what will be that connection? Well, first of all, we have talked about IP addresses and net masks, but we also can configure the gateway. What is a gateway? A gateway is a very simple concept. This computer knows every computer that is in its own network. So this computer knows where this computer is. Okay? But if it doesn't know where to go, if it doesn't know where to find a computer, maybe when you want to go to the internet or when you want to go to another network, you have to say, well, go here, and this address will tell you where to go. Okay, so this is usually a router and it's called gateway. Okay, so a gateway could be this router needs to have at least two different IP addresses of two different networks so it can communicate with both of them. Okay, so this router has two network adapters. Okay, here it has one in 192.168.10.1, maybe could be an address of this network. Remember, I'm gonna put that it needs also a mask. I'm gonna put a mask like this. If you put this, you are saying that the mask is like this one, 255, 255, 2550. Okay, what else? It needs to have one address in one network and one in another. Okay, so here the router is in both networks, in network 192.168.3.0 and in network 192.168.10.0 network. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna say network 192.168.10.0. So if you want to communicate this computer with this one, you have to say, okay, when you don't know where to go to 192.168.3.1 computer. Okay, so when this computer tries to go to 192.168.10.3 computer, it wants to go here, but it doesn't know where it is. You say, well, go to the gateway, and this gateway, which is in its own network, knows how to route, how to make a little jump to this network. But that depends on the configuration of this machine. Okay, so the router will tell how to go or where to go. Okay, it's the same as if you want to go to the internet. Maybe we have here some shapes or something related to the internet. No? Okay. Well, but imagine here you want to go to the internet, so the router also can be connected to another place, and this would be the internet. Okay, internet. Okay, So this router will need another IP address of another network that goes to the internet, okay? Because these three are local networks, okay? So this needs to go to an ISP, an internet service provider, or something like that, okay? But that is what a router does, okay? So first of all, we've talked about IP addresses, net masks, and gateways. And also for this computer that is just alone in its network, there's no other computer of its network, okay? If it wants to go out to the outside, it doesn't matter to the internet or to another computer like this ones, okay? It needs to be have configured the gateway, okay? And the gateway, in this case, in this network, would be 192.168.10.1, okay? So these little concepts, this is just a little review. I think that you know all these concepts, but I think that, well, I thought that would be very useful for you to make a little review, okay? So we'll continue with another video and other kind of stuff. So see you later.